Okay, we're gonna change windshield wiper, two piece together, and the most importantly, here has a clip. Okay, pull the clip. Easy peasy. After you take. Okay, this is the second one. Hold this hand. Don't release. Don't release this hand and the clip here. Pull the clip. Release. Take it out and slowly down. Okay. We don't want to hurt the glass. Okay. Okay. Let's go to measure these two. This one is 22. I don't know if you can see it or not. 22 inch. How many inch? That's 21 inch. Look at on top right there. 21 and 22. Emboss. Okay. I don't care about the brand, you know. This is a new one. So the first thing you have to open this cap right here. Okay. For this one, open. It become like this. Okay. See it? Okay. Let's put it in. So slide it in, and then a little bit tight. Very close. Clip. Check. Screw number 2. Oh. Okay. Don't forget to remove this piece. Okay. This piece. That's just the cover. Okay. Open like that. Just slide it in and push in. That's it. Then clip. That's all. Work out done.